Hello. I stand before you today as the president of the class of 2014, mainly because I was the only one that wanted the job, and a proud graduate of the dental assisting program here at CSM. In the last year to 2.5 years, the ladies in this class have been working towards the goal we have reached tonight. We have formed friendships, flourished professionally, and experienced personal growth. Each person that was sitting before you today has struggled and figured out their way through this program to become the individuals we are now. We all strived towards this moment and can now say we did it. We have reached our goal through uncertainty, hard work, and celebration, without which this year would have been a huge drag. Friendships were formed this year, not only from commonalities, whether from heritage or similar interests, but from wanting to help each other succeed or mishearing a conversation and wanting to get all the gossip. We couldn't have finished this year without each other. Our lives intertwined so closely. In each of our classes, we almost became a family, granted a dysfunctional one, but a family nonetheless. Throughout my 2.5 years here, I have met many people that have changed my life for the better. Whitney has immense compassion for people and shows that with each person she interacts with. Marika is the mama bear, protective, yet will smack you upside your head if you do something stupid. Maria was always willing to lend a hand to help you understand something. And Tara brought the, oh yeah. Without each other to push us along, we would not have become the people and professionals we are today. Our professional lives have taken a turn this year. We are all exploring a new career ahead of us. Whenever a situation occurred that our fellow classmate needed help, we came together as a team to help each other to our goals. And that in itself was a huge accomplishment. This last March, we had our sealants class. And for those of you who don't know, they're plastic-like coatings that we put on the chewing surfaces of your teeth to keep them from getting cavities. And it was a struggle for many of us to find patients, to practice on. For the most part, we all found the exact number of teeth we needed, but when the day came to place them, some of our classmates could not use their patients for one reason or another. We then worked it out between ourselves to help those students get the number of teeth they needed to complete and pass the class. Luckily, some of our classmates had patients with extra teeth that could be sealed, and they were willing to stick around to help out whoever needed them. This teamwork, I feel, was one of our greatest accomplishments in this class. We could have let the others fail and not help them out, but that is not how we want to be in our offices, so that is not how we were in this class. This professional growth also spurred our own personal growth as well. Each and every one of us is different from the day we started this program. I know I see it in myself, as well as each of the wonderful ladies here today. I must say, though, there is one in particular that sticks out in my mind. Katie has been in this program as long as I have. When we first started, she was very quiet and to herself. She wouldn't talk much and would go to DSPS to take all of her quizzes and tests. Man, how you have grown. Throughout our classes last year, she would still occasionally go to DSPS, but came out of her shell a lot and contributed to classes more. This year, we can't keep her quiet. She's always in class for tests and quizzes and has become a remarkable woman. Watching this growth in her shows me a glimpse of what others have said they see in me. And if I have grown even of a fraction of what she has, I'm glad for that. Katie, you have so much of my respect and admiration for all you have accomplished in this program. And I know going forth, you will do amazing things. With each and every struggle, we succeeded in one way or another, and we are all better for it. Throughout each step we took to get here tonight, we learned, we grew, and we accomplished. However, we could not have gotten here without the help of so many people. We had friends and family members step up and let us radiate them, polish their teeth, and even put sealants on them. To all of our guinea pigs, we say a huge thank you. To our families that supported us, whether emotional, financial, or motivational, we thank you. To the doctors and assistants who so graciously led us into their practices to learn what it was really like to be a dental assistant, we are extremely grateful and want to thank you for all your help. To CSM, thank you. for having this program available to us so we can grow and learn and become a part of this professional field we want to be in. Last but definitely not least, to each of our instructors. Sorry, Ms. Weinstein. Without the knowledge you have shared with us, we would not have made it this far. Ms. La Rochelle, throughout this year you have given us the wisdom of your years in the field and helped us along when we needed it. Ms. Harold, we learned the dangers and fine art of X-ray and working a front office. Ms. Davis, we learned science, communication, and working with dental materials. And Ms. Weinstein, we learned how to work chairside and every instrument known to man in dentistry. From all of you, we learned proper techniques and the type of attitude needed to be in this amazing field. For all your knowledge, skill, and the work ethics you instilled in us, thank you. Without each and every one of you out there tonight, we would not be here now on the verge of something awesome. As Kurt B. Goodall, DDS, stated in his commencement speech in 2013 in UOP, the world may not be ours, but I hope that every patient and every person we interact with for the rest of our lives will know that we really care. Now we would like to share with you the memories we made this last year.